Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Gladys Debated Living Clutter Free. Guys, today's video is an exciting one. I get this question at least every other video. Guys, how do you keep your house clean? How do you maintain your home with 4 kids? How do you keep clutter out of your house? I want to show you guys little tips and tricks that I do here every day when I come back home from work, when I'm at home, when I'm off, and I want to show you guys how that kept working for me. And whatever is not broken, don't change it. And I kept to it. And today you guys can ask this type of question. It's not that I don't have kids. I have 4 little ones. The youngest is literally only 9 months, and I'm able to do this, and this is easy, basically practical. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Tip number 1, guys, there's no way I can get this house clutter free and clean without the help of my kid and my husband. So tip number 1, get your family involved in keeping the house clean. Guys, you will thank me later. Without the help of my kid, there's no way I can maintain this house. I involve them in every step, picking up, decluttering, whatever. Always involve them. Tip number 2, guys, everything needs to have a space. I'm talking about remote control needs to go into a remote control box or somewhere out of sight, out of mind. I keep mine in this cute little remote control box that I purchased at Ross, but you can use anything. The shoes needs to go back to the shoes cupboard. When my kids are done playing with their toys or whatever it is, I tell them to put things back. If that's not the case, then it looks messy, it looks like clutter. So everything needs its own space. Tip number 3, guys, declutter. Guys, I always declutter. Clutter can sneak in your house like nobody's business. I don't have a specific date when I declutter. When I see things are creeping in, I declutter. Like little YouTube magic. We're going to take this room from this to this. I declutter the kids' closet, my closet, our kitchen, and I have my kids help me maintain it by putting things back where they go. So tip number 3, declutter. Tip number 4, guys, decorate with less. You cannot clean when there's so much there. Decorate with less. I live with this motto, guys. I want my home to feel cozy, to feel comfortable, but when it's time for me to clean, it does not take me that long to clean the house. So tip number 4, decorate with less. I am not telling you to become a minimalist. Tip number 5, guys, if you learned anything from this video, take this one as a takeaway. Clean whenever you can. Do not wait for the weekend for you to clean. If you're a type of person that works Monday to Friday like me, you do not want to wait until the weekend before you can clean. Your dirt will accumulate and it will bring you more stress. When I come from work, this is exactly one day I came from work and I decided to just pick up the camera and show you guys what I actually preach, and I started cleaning the house. It was not dirty, the kids maintained it, but there was things that I see they don't see. I began to broom the floor, clean the dishes that were in the sink, and turn everything off. So tip number 5, clean whenever you can. Do not wait for the weekend. How are you liking this video so far? If you're liking it, please go ahead and show some love by clicking on the like button. And if you're not subscribed, please join the family. Here I teach you guys how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. It is doable, guys. I am proof and living proof of it. If you hear some breathing, I have a little baby here that is taking a nap. This is when I can edit my videos. Let's get to the next tip. Tip number 6, which is one of my favorite tips, actually, guys, it is nightly reset. Have a nightly reset, guys. This, I cannot tell you, guys, this has helped me a lot. When I come back from work, I literally will reset the entire house. Guys, I go from the upstairs to make sure that the kids did not leave any volleyball, basketball, anything underneath the couch, remote control where it's not supposed to be. I reset the house, right? So I go from different rooms, making sure my lights are off, my thermostats are where they're supposed to be, things like that. So have a nightly reset. Also in my house, what we do, we have that's a little trick that I'm sharing with you guys. We have on our landing step by the stairs, we put everything that needs to go upstairs, right? We put it right by the staircase, so when the kids see it, they know that mommy say this is supposed to go up. And then also before I get to the next trick here, my daughter saw me coming, and then she just brought the baby for me to greet him, and it was so cute because I came home and it was so late and they were all sleepy. And also the last trick that I wanted to mention is that when I put anything on the landing stairs upstairs, the kids know it has to come downstairs. These tips and tricks have helped me maintain my home simple, clutter-free, most importantly, minimalist. I hope you truly enjoyed it. Simplicity has become my motto here, and I love it and I embrace it to the core. Well, guys, God bless you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and show your love and your like by liking, by sharing, and stay tuned for more videos coming your way. If you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free. God bless you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye, y'all.